Okay guys, here we've got a new project. This is an ultrasound sensor. It's an HC-SR04 connected to display the values of in centimeters and in meter on a TM1637. And here is how we plug it all in. I mean, obviously the D1, D2 goes to the clock, and the diode of the display, and we've got D5 and D6 goes to the trigger and the echo of the sound, ultrasound, and you can see how the display works. I will post the code after on the website. So now we can, this one can affect the, so yeah. Now it's 150 centimeters away. Let's get to 200. That's 200. Exactly 200. And we can go to 300. There we are, that's 300. And it actually, I have an old 300 centimeter. It's broken, but I can put it here. And at the bottom of it, yeah, there you are. It's exactly 300 centimeter in this case. The this, I think it can be pushed to about 2 meters. I have tried, and I think I've checked it on 4 meters if I'm correct. But as the distance goes, you got to set it up. This one is set up at maximum about 1 meter. Okay guys, thank you very much. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day.